So this is a Samsung screen whose backlight failed, and that's because of this IC right here. Now I no longer have donor ICs, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take advantage of the fact that this LG has a functioning backlight, and this is the circuit board from it. So I'll put this here, and this will provide the backlight. So I'll transplant the LCD panel from the Samsung onto this frame of the LG screen, and that should solve. And then I'll place this somewhere here. Of course, this will now be here, and that will allow me to get power from here to there. So see you. But first, because I noticed this IC heats up, and that's how I know it is dead, so I'm going to disable power from it by disconnecting that fuse, and we move on.